Hello everyone, a warm welcome to all of you on the website named as Bioskin. I welcome you all to the unbiased review section. In this review, you'll get to know whether a website is a scam or legit. So let's get started. As you can see, this is the home page of the website. Basically, the website sell products for all those users who are facing injuries. The products are available like Trilok ankle brace, knee compressive sleeve, premium wrist brace, and much more. You can shop easily. The BioSkin braces are designed to work in harmony with your body. Basically, this product is lightweight as per your comfort, rounded Volco tabs, soft inner. Here you get an injury education center also, where you get to know more information about your pains, about your injuries, and how to use these products. You can use these products when you are having a carpal tunnel, when you are playing sports, you're a sports person, still you are facing injuries, you can use the products. The innovative materials used in the products are, these product is lightweight, dynamic stretch, breathable, and hypoallergenic. You won't get any sort of allergy by using the products. You can see the designer products is also available for those who wanted to have designs in the products. Let's move ahead and check out more information about the website. You can see the talk to us section is available, free shipping is available, free returns is available. Within 30 days you'll get your refund back if you didn't like the mask and all. Then we'll move ahead. You'll see a number of options available on the lower case of the website. We'll start with injury education. Basically, in injury education, you're going to get about knee injuries. You can see the knee injury education is there. Common knee injuries and conditions is there. Advices are mentioned on the website. Bestseller option is there. And many more information is available on the website. Then we'll check out foot and ankle. Foot and ankle section is also available. This also tells you about the common injuries we are facing today, in today's century, in today's world. You can check it out. The affordable prices ranges are very tempting in the website. You can easily add to cart. Look at the section. We'll move ahead. There is hip, thigh and calf section, spine section, wrist and hand section, and elbow section is also labeled. Please check it out on the website. Now we're going to have about Bioskin. You can see 25 years of supporting active lifestyles from our family to yours. This product is actively serving many users in United States. Innovative bracing solutions, designs inspired by anatomy. You can hear from you. The customer reviews are also mentioned. You can easily contact us on the number 1866-830-5777 between 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. at any time. Then you can see the address is also mentioned, that is 135W Main Street, Medford, Oregon. From Monday to Friday, you can't buy the products. Just click on the website and you'll get the product. There are some problems in the address. The address is not complete. You have to check it out before buying. You can see the return policy section. In this, 90 days warranty is available. 30-day returns and exchanges are available. Instructions is also there. We'll go ahead with privacy policy. You're going to have a privacy policy about the website, what we collect, what we do with the information we gather, security, how we use cookies, links to other websites, controlling your personal information. If you have any issues, you can talk to custcare@bioskin.com, email them, the list of cookies they collect, and so much you can explore from the website. Next, we're going to see the section named as terms and condition. The other terms and conditions you can go through while using the product, while buying the product from the website. You can see ownership is there, purchase on the site is there, termination, disclaimers, and every information about the policy which you should know about that is mentioned in the website. Now we're going to see FAQ section. Some questions are basically asked by the customers. It is easily available on the website in a FAQ section. Then we're going to see the home page. This is the FAQ section. We can get many questions about what's the best way to clean my brace, how do I put on my brace. Many questions are available. You can see. By reviewing the website, I got to know that the website seems to be legit as it contains the genuine information. But still, if you have any issues regarding the website, its products, you can check it out on the home page by viewing customers, by getting information about free returns, free shipping, so that it can help you in your buying decisions. The products are amazing, but still some viewers are having problem. If you having problems, then share your experiences with the other customers. You can check it out, the products. Bioskin.com is serving users from past many months. It helps you to get healed from your injuries. As you can see, the products are good for the knee injuries, products are good for the hand injuries and for many injuries. This is what I can review from the site. If you have any sort of problems, you can share with us. You can share your experiences. You can share how you feel the product are, so that it helps us. Do comment on the comment section. And thank you so much for you reviewing and helping us to review the website.